Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a seriously powerful and budget-friendly beast, the ViprTech Overlord liquid-cooled gaming PC. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the link in the description to grab this PC at a limited-time discounted price. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's take a closer look. Left magnifying glass emoji. Personal computer emoji, specs that punch above their price. Here's what you're getting under the hood. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 5700X, up to 4.6 GHz turbo, 8 cores, 16 threads for gaming and multitasking. GPU, NVIDIA RTX 5060 8 GB, great for 1440p gaming, ray tracing, and AI upscaling. RAM, 32 GB DDR4 at 3200 MHz, smooth performance even with multiple apps/games open. Storage, 1 TB NVMe SSD, fast boot times and plenty of room for your game library. Cooling, liquid-cooled CPU, keeps temps low, performance high. Gold-rated PSU, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VR ready. Video game emoji, gaming performance, built to win. I tested this on Apex Legends, Cyberpunk 2077, GTA 5, and even Hogwarts Legacy, and this machine held up beautifully. At 1080p and 1440p, you're looking at 60 to 120 FPS on high to ultra settings in most AAA games. Plus, the RTX 5060 supports DLSS and ray tracing, making visuals even more immersive. Brain emoji, multitasking and everyday use, smooth operator. With 32 GB RAM and a Ryzen 7, this is perfect for creators, students, and streamers too. You can game, stream, and run heavy apps like Adobe Premiere or Blender, all at once, without any slowdowns. Ice emoji, design, cooling and build quality, sleek and chill. The tower has a clean aesthetic with subtle RGB lighting and excellent airflow. The liquid cooling setup isn't just for show, it really does keep temps down, even during long gaming sessions. The gold-rated PSU ensures power delivery is efficient and stable. White check mark emoji, final verdict, should you buy it? If you're looking for a high-performance, liquid-cooled gaming PC that doesn't destroy your wallet, the ViprTech Overlord is a killer choice. It's VR-ready, stream-ready, and upgrade-friendly, ideal for casual and competitive gamers alike. Link symbol emoji, grab it now. Hit the link below to get this PC at a limited-time discounted price, before it's gone. Deals like this don't last long.